Hi guys, so today you're going to be using that same website you used the other day to create bar graphs this time. So again, I have an example on the first page. Your chart that you're going to use is on the second page that you will create your bar graph with. So again, it says today you will use this side to create a bar graph. Your data is on the second page. Once you create it, copy and paste it into this document. So you're going to follow this link right here, same link as last time, but this time you're going to have to come over here and hit bar graph. Okay, so you name your graph. I named it class sizes because my chart is about the 5th grade class sizes. We have 5A, 5B, 5C, and 5D, and we have the number of students in each one of those classes. Your chart is similar, but it's favorite type of cookie. You got chocolate chip, peanut butter, Oreos, and snickerdoodles, and then you have 9, 4, 7, and 3. That's your information that you will put into the graph. Okay, so mine's about class sizes. I could have named it 5th grade class sizes. The title isn't really super important. It should be brief and it should be informative. Then we have the horizontal label. So we're labeling that x-axis, and I want the x-axis to be my classes, since that is this right side, the left side of this chart. I want it to be those classes right there. So I put classes, I put class. The vertical label is the y-axis. That for me is going to be the number of students. It's going to be the number of students for you as well. So it's going to be the number of students who selected each of those things as their favorite cookie. Okay, so we label those x-axis and y-axis. This time, instead of putting data values, because we don't want numbers, we want labels. Because these are not, actually you'll put labels because you're going to be putting your types of cookie in here. I put my classes 5A, 5B, 5C, and 5D. Those aren't, I know mine has numbers in it, but they're not actually values, they're class names. So I put labels. And then you type in your data labels. And you got to put this underscore to kind of space it out a little bit. So you'll put chocolate chip cookies and you'll underscore for a little section. And then you'll put peanut butter, you'll underscore, and then you'll put Oreo and you'll underscore. And what that does is sets up your bar graph like this. So I have each of these columns will be labeled 5A, 5B, 5C, and 5D. Usually will say chocolate chip, peanut butter, and so forth. That goes in the horizontal. We're labeling that horizontal data labels. And then when it says number of lines, you're going to click 4 bars because you're going to have 4 different types of cookies. And when you do that, it changes it to this. Like if I put 1 bar, this is what it starts as. And you can label your 1 bar. But I need you to change it to 4 bars. And then you're going to have to label each bar. So I put 5A here. That's where you label your bar. And then this is the data value. So in 5A, there's 15 students. So I put 5A and then 15. You'll put maybe CC for chocolate chip. Or you can type in the whole thing as much as will fit. And then you'll put how many students wanted chocolate chip here. And then you'll put peanut butter. I put 5B. And you put how many students there. So 5B has 14, 5C has 16, 5D has 18. And then scroll down, your graph will appear. You might have to hit enter, like come up here to your 18 or whatever. It's not going to be 18 for you. Come up here and hit enter, and then your graph will be right here. Okay, and so it has each column labeled here, and then you should have some kind of labeling down here too. It's got your number of students up the side. It's got your title right there. Once you have that, you're going to hit print to copy and paste it. You're going to right click, copy image, and paste it right here where it says paste your line graph. It should say bar graph. I'll change that. Paste your bar graph here. And you're going to put it right there. All right, and then that's what we're doing today. You're just going to be able to create a bar graph using this website.